Nature is the best teacher, and hiking is a beautiful way to immerse yourself in the great outdoors. Hiking allows you to discover the true beauty of nature. It's fun, and there's in fact a lot to talk about hiking. It's considered a low-impact workout with multiple physical and mental benefits. However, if someone's new to hiking, starting might seem somewhat menacing because there are many things to learn and experience. So, we've created a list of 10 essential hiking tips for beginners to make your hiking experience enjoyable, safe, and successful. So, let's jump right into the video. Anything can happen when you're out in the wilderness. Notify at least one friend or a family member before you leave. Also, let them know when you're expected to come back. If you don't, they will contact you or try to locate you. Sometimes it can save your life. For emergencies, carry a GPS tracker so that your friends and family know that you are okay. If you're concerned about the safety and like to meet and greet fellow hikers, choose the correct time of the year. Bad timing can ruin everything. Try to collect the necessary information before starting your journey. Some trails are full of people in one season and deserted in another. Timing matters. As a beginner hiker, remember that not all trails are for you right now. Please don't overdo it. Choose a suitable trail according to your experience. If you're a beginner hiker, choose a beginner-friendly path. Measure your pacing capability and choose a course a little shorter than that. Let's say you can go 1.5 miles per hour. Now choose a trail that you can finish by hiking 1.25 miles per hour. There are a lot of guides, tutorials, and trail overviews available online. Watch those and pick a suitable trail. Eventually, you will hike more challenging trails, no worries. And always carry a map of the course. As a beginner hiker, don't overdo anything. Know how fit you are before you make a plan. If you feel like you need to rest, stop and take a rest. Remember, hiking is not a race. You have to enjoy this activity, and the best way to do that is by listening to your body. You have to take care of your body, and keeping yourself hydrated is essential during hiking. To prevent dehydration, carry water bottles or bring a portable water filter with you. Before you start hiking, drink a gulp of water. Stay away from foods and beverages like alcohol that accelerate dehydration. A multi-tool is never better than a dedicated tool. But as you're a beginner, you don't need specific tools for each function. You can just carry around a multi-tool with you, and it'll be enough for everything you need to do. Plus, taking a dedicated tool for individual chores will make your pack heavier than it usually is. If you don't want to carry a multi-tool, simply bring an excellent survival EDC knife. There are thousands of knives out there. Choose one that fits you and your budget. You should choose your dress and shoes based on the nature of the trail. If the route is rocky, you might need stiff boots. If the course is mostly muddy and slippery, you'll need a light, waterproof, and grippy pair of boots. Choose your shoes and socks according to your trail. Always say no to cotton socks. Wear synthetic or wool. Cotton outfits soak sweat faster and stay in that way for a long time. It will make you feel uncomfortable. According to Brooklyn-based culinary nutritionist Jackie Nugent, you should carry food items that stay fresh for a long time and are lightweight but rich in nutrition. For example, food bars. Or you can bring dried fruits and vegetables, peanut bars, energy bars, meat jerky, trail mix, and so on. If you prefer cooking your food, keep an ice pack to keep raw food fresh. Cook your food properly. Avoid eating anything that can cause a bad bowel movement. As a beginner, don't carry a lot of things. Although you're probably going for a hike for the first time, Trust me, you don't need pro-level tools to do it. If you plan your hike correctly, you don't need a heavy backpack at all. Carry the necessary things only. Wear light outfits and carry more lightweight tools, which will make your hiking experience more comfortable and better than you think. Good weather will make all the difference. So, when you're making a plan, make sure you keep track of the weather, when it's going to be sunny and when it's going to be raining. It's an essential way to ensure a good experience. Poor weather conditions can ruin everything and make your hiking experience a miserable one. And even if you want to hike in a situation where bad weather is probable, stay prepared with the right kind of gear you need for safety. So, that was a list of the 10 essential hiking tips for beginners. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.